When it comes to streaming, trying to add new features to your stream can be a daunting task, but it can also be very rewarding. From changing the way that your layout looks, to adding new transitions, even to creating custom sound commands. Now, I know custom sound commands sound like it's gonna be hard, but honestly, it's really easy and very simple. And I'm gonna show you guys how to easily and for free create your own sound clips in a safe way as well too. I personally don't like going to websites and downloading random sound clips from there just because viruses and things like that. I use a free software to go ahead and capture that audio, which I can take from any browser source or even my microphone too. So it's gonna be a very easy and straightforward way and free way to create your own custom sound commands. So let's go ahead and get into the demo. Let's jump over to the stream setup.
All right, so first things first is we are gonna need the software called Audacity. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, but that is what I use personally for recording audio. You can also do this with Adobe Audition in case you do have the Adobe package, but I just find Audacity is just much easier personally. All right, so we would just go to Audacity and we would download this. This is a free program. Again, link in the description below to check this out. So let's go ahead and open up Audacity. So this is the super sophisticated program we're using, Audacity. It's honestly very straightforward and very easy. What you want to make sure that you do is that for the microphone here, you want to go ahead and either capture like your desktop audio or wherever your browser source comes out of. For me, I'm just doing broadcast because it's the easiest way for me to do it. We're going to do broadcast mix. And then next, what we're going to do is we want to find a audio clip that we want to create. Now, if you have a special someone that you care about, or maybe even you want to do something for your VIPs, you might want to make it a little bit more special for them. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and record this sound clip from when my friend was gloating about how he got a win in Fall Guys before me, but I found that he made a pretty funny laugh.
And we got a win. What? You love to see it. I hate Paula. I hate him. Oh my God.
So we're going to go ahead and make a sound alert out of that. So that way, when my friend Roni Shogun comes into my stream and does ! Shogun, that'll play. First, what you want to do is you want to start this clip back where you wanted it to start. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start our recording on this. Now, keep in mind, this for me is going to pick up everything. So I'm just going to kind of stay quiet while I play this. And then we're going to stop and listen back to it. So let's go ahead and start the recording.
You love to see it. I hate Paula. I hate him.
All right, so now we can stop the recording. Okay, so now we can go ahead and listen back to this and see how it came out.
I hate Paula.
Cool, so I think it's actually pretty good. So what we'll do is we will maybe cut off this portion of it. So you just click and drag over and then hit the delete button.
I hate him.
All right, and then we'll go ahead and delete this end portion to it. And then there we go. I think that is our sound clip. Now, cool thing is that you can actually adjust the audio in here as well too. So on the left-hand side, you have this gain dial right here. So you can either crank it up a little bit and make it louder, or you can make it quieter. So depending on if it's actually playing loud enough or not, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and do File. We're going to export this sound as a WAV. I find that this works easiest for most programs, just using it as a WAV file. I personally have my own folder just set up for sound alerts, so it just makes it easier for me. I know where everything is. If you guys don't have file structure and organization, I promise you it is probably one of the greatest things you can do for yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this as Shogun. Bam, perfect. Hit OK, and then it saves our file. We can go ahead and right click and just show open file location, and there we go. We have the file.
I hate Paula.
All right, perfect. There we go. So we actually have our sound that we want for our friend. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and do Streamer.bot. Now, if you guys don't know what Streamer.bot is, I highly recommend using this tool. This tool is absolutely phenomenal and amazing. It is so powerful, but it can be as simple or as complex as you want it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a command to where my friend Shogun can call that whenever he is here. What I just showed you on Audacity can be used for anything. I personally don't like going to websites and just downloading random files. So I just use this method to go and create audio files from your favorite things like, you know, bruh and other things like that. So for instance, let me just go ahead and we will show you. So like technically if I go over to my Twitch channel, which by the way, if you haven't dropped me a follow, you probably should. And I type in bruh, the audio plays. Or if I type in
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
So I basically just went on YouTube, I found those meme sounds, I recorded them the same way with Audacity. So if that's all you're looking to do, then that's the easiest way to grab them in my opinion. But let's continue on with this. I'm going to show you how to make it so where each of your VIPs or anything like that, people can call these commands. I even have ones, for instance, Cactesi can only call this as well. Let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to add individual commands for individual people with Streamer.bot and sounds. The action we're going to go ahead and create is going to be, so you right click over here and you hit add action. So this is going to be Shogun. And then I want this to be grouped underneath the sound effects command, and we're going to hit OK. So now we have Shogun over here, but we have no action underneath. So if I go to sooner, you notice that there's a thing that says play the sound. So we want to create a sub action. So we're going to go over to actions, and we're going to go to sounds, play a sound. We're going to find it within that folder that we created earlier. So now we're going to go down to Shogun, click OK, and click OK. And now we have the action. Now the problem is we actually need a command to call that action so it actually starts to play. So now we need to go over to commands and create a custom command for Shogun to call when he comes into the chat. So now we're going to do Shogun effect. We're going to make it do the Shogun effect. And then we are going to make it to where it's user permitted. This is the hard part. There it is. Oh my God, it took me forever. Okay, jeez. All right, so now we're gonna find the user, Roroni Shogun. We're gonna make it allowed. So now Roroni Shogun is the only person that's gonna be able to call this command. Again, you can make this for VIPs. You can also do moderators and such. So you can choose who can do it, but we're gonna make this special for Roroni Shogun since it's a special clip for him. Gonna hit OK, and then that is it. So now if he goes into the Twitch chat, we'll be able to do it. I'm gonna edit the command just to make it to where I can actually call it. I should be able to call it. Let's see if I can call it as well.
I hate Paula. I hate him.
There we go. So I can call it obviously because I'm the controller of this or the mod of the account, but no one else can call it aside from Shogun and myself. So that's how you can make custom sound commands for each individual like person, whether it's VIPs and things like that. It adds a nice little special touch to it. Now, let's say if you wanted to use this as a sound command. So whenever you have a sub or if you have a follow, you want to make your own custom command for that as well too. Then you can go ahead and go to here. And then if you go to alert box, and if you go to follows, you can actually go ahead and change the sound and upload your own sound. So you have to go to uploads in this corner right here, drag and drop. And then there we go. Now it's uploaded. And then all we have to do is actually just click on it. And then it will go ahead and use that for a sound command. And you can choose this to be for subs, for raids, or anything like that you want. So you can completely change it to bits, things of that nature. That's how you create your own custom sound commands. So if you want to be able to tie them to channel points and things like that, then I recommend looking into Streamer.bot. I will link a video to Nutty, who actually goes through an entire like setup of it. He does a great job. He's actually the one that I originally followed for that. He also gives amazing tips and advice on adding really cool effects to your OBS stream. It's where I got a lot of my ideas, or where I got a lot of my inspiration from was Nutty, to how I basically operate my channel now. So I definitely recommend checking them out. I'm going to put it in the video description below, but that is how you make custom commands. You can even do it for channel points. You can do it just for regular people to call and stuff like that. It really adds a nice touch to your stream, and it's super easy to do. It's absolutely free. And again, doing it this way, using Audacity to record, I feel like is probably the safest way to do it, to where you're not going to download a virus, or even again, if you have an instance where your friend, does this weird, funny kind of thing on stream and you clip it and you want to get that sound, you can go ahead and use that. Let's head back to the head-on talking portion and let's close this video out.
Wow, that was a fantastic demo. As always, beautiful and amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps you kind of add some new stuff into it. If you guys want to check out how to set up Streamer.bot, I'm going to go ahead and show you in the description below with the link. Thanks to Nutty. Huge shout out to him. He's absolutely phenomenal YouTuber, so please go check him out and sub to him as well as sub to me as well. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys want to continue watching videos like this, tutorials and reviews, I'd really appreciate it. Also give this a thumbs up as well. It helps us out for absolutely free. And if you guys have any more questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section below, or come visit me on Twitch, which I stream 3 times a week. Really appreciate it. I would love to talk to you guys about any of the videos you guys see on my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day and have a fantastic stream. I'll see you in the next one.